Good morning, students. Today we are going to start your next chapter from the grammar book, that is the chapter 6, verb and its kinds. Then before starting this chapter, let's see what is verb. Verbs are words that show action or being. What are the verbs? Verbs means action words. Which actions we do, that all action words comes under the verb. Now which action you are doing? You are doing the action of listen. You are doing the action of see. Okay, you are doing the action of hear. They see, hear, listen. These all words comes under the category of action words, means verb. And I am also doing one action. What is that? Speak. Okay, then this speak also goes for the which category? Verb category. These all action words comes under the verb category. Now there are some kinds are there which are mentioned in your textbook. We are going to discuss that kinds. Now cases of nouns and the pronouns: nominative case, objective case, and the possessive case. Now what is the nominative case? Do you understand that's what is the nominative case of the noun and pronouns and the verb in the previous lesson? Yeah, then on that only your next lesson also a little bit depend, because how nominative case, objective case, and the possessive case come of the noun and pronoun, and you understand that nominative case comes as a subject only, objective case comes after the verb only, and the possessive case comes for the showing ownership. Like this only in this lesson also some kinds are there of the verbs. Which kinds are there? Action verbs, to do, having verbs, to have, being verbs, to be. These three categories are there. Then to do words are called doing verbs, to have words are called having verb, and to be verbs are called being verbs. Then what is to do verbs? I will explain you. Doing verb, it is also known as the action verb, which are called the main verb, which I gave the example previous. Listen, play, see, eat. Means we are not modifying this word, we are not making any changes in this, we are not joining to this ed, we are not joining to this ing, v1, we are using only v1 form. Which form? V1 form. You are knowing the 5 forms of this: V1, V2, V3, V4 and V5. Like eat, ate, eaten, eating and eats. Yeah, this V1, V2, V3, V4 and the V5. But when we use the doing verb, that time we are using, that is the V1 otherwise V5. Okay, which we use? V1 otherwise V5. We are not using V2, we are not using V3, we are not using V5. That time only this V1 and V5 words comes under the doing verb, under the category of doing verb. Like I eat my meals, they do their duty, farmers work very hard. Now students, you can observe in this these sentences, I am not using I am is are, I am not using was were, means I am working, I am eating, they are playing, they are working. Like ing form I am not using. What I use only? I took the subject, means doer, who is doing the action, that person name, and directly what I take? I have taken the main verb. Like farmers work, yeah, farmers eat, they play. Then in between I didn't take any helping verb, I didn't take. That's why this main verbs comes as the doing verb. Next is having verbs. Having verbs show the possessive. Okay, possession means, before also I said possession means owner. Then how to show that ownership? I have a pen. Then I have a pen means what? With me one pen is there. Then that I have a pen, have is showing the ownership of the pen. Okay. Then she has a book. Okay, then has comes for the showing possession only. What she has the owner of? She has the owner of book. That's why this has, have, had come for the having verbs. Now being verbs means what? Being verbs, it is known as the existence verb. Okay, I am a girl, you are a boy. Then am, are, is, was, were. After that I am not taking v5 students, because in the continuous present tense, continuous past tense, after am is are I am using ing form. But in this sentence I didn't use it. Okay, and when I didn't use it, this am is are after that ing form, then this am, is, are, was, where goes for the being forms. Okay, understood that? Doing form, having form and the being form. After this we are not taking the second verb, we are taking alone itself. Run I takes alone, swim as I take alone, has I will take alone. After has I am not taking swim, after has I am not taking eaten, has I am taking alone. She has a pain, like that I said. Then these are comes under the to do, to have and the to be. These definitions you are going to write in your notebook, which is in your textbook, like doing verb, being verb, and the having verb, in that category. My father goes to gym every day. Now this goes comes under the doing verb. She loves to play basketball. Then this play also, these all examples of the doing verb. Play, things, run, and you can observe in this whole sentence, in all sentences, after verb I didn't take any second verb, only one verb is there, goes, only one verb is there, play, only one verb is there, things. After that I didn't take, otherwise before also I didn't take am, is, are, was, were, like that. Standing alone, it is standing alone, that's why it is comes as a doing verb. Okay, these all examples you are going to read it silently by pausing this video. Now next examples are of being verbs. Okay, being verb shows the existence of yours. I am sorry, after am any other verb I have taken? I am eating, like that? No, am is alone, that's why am comes for the being verb. He is a great, after is any other verb I have taken as a ing form? No, I have taken is alone, that's why it comes for the being verb. You are never, after are any other verb is there? No, are is alone, that's why this are also being verb. He was elected, the children were playing, music will be played, this actress has been divorced. Now in this remaining four sentences, was, were, be, been, after was elected came, other verb came, after were playing came, after be played came, after has been divorced came. That's why this was, were, be and been are not coming under the category of being verb. See the upside three sentences and the downside four sentences, identify the difference between these two. Am is, are came alone, after am is, are second verb didn't come, but in the remaining sentences after was other verb also came, elected, after were playing, after will be played, after has been divorced. That's why this downside 4 will not go under the category of being verb, but upside 3 will go under the category of being verb. Was can also come under the category of being verb, but how it can come? After was we are not going to take any second verb, after where we are not going to take any second verb, after be also we are not going to take any second verb, after been also we are not going to take any other verb, then definitely it will go under the category of being verb. Okay, I hope that you understand that being verbs also comes alone, they are not taking help of any second verb. Okay, now next examples are of have shows the ownership. I have, she has, it has, I don't have, you don't have, he doesn't have. Then these all have, has, had verbs comes under the which category? Under the having verb category, which shows the possession. Now we are going to discuss question answers from your textbook. What is the first question? Underline the verbs used in the following sentences and say whether they are doing, being, or having verbs. Okay. Now farmers work very hard. Work is the V1. Then V1 goes the under category of doing verb. Okay. Then laughed. Yeah, it is going also doing verb. These pictures look beautiful. Look doing verb. He was an old man. Was, were, am, is, are. These all go for the being verb. That's it is being verb. Have. I don't have. Have comes for the having verb. Invited going for the doing verb. Am is coming for the being verb. Were is also being verb. Is also being verb. Has having verb. And the hangs doing verb. Yes. Underline this and write down front its answers. Now next, filling the blanks by choosing the appropriate option from the bracket, and after choosing that we have to find out is it being, is it doing, or is it having verb. Then I am a student of class 6. Am is coming under the which category, student? It is the being verb. Very good. You are, am is are is also coming under the being verb. Look, okay, main verb came, V1 came, then it goes for the which category? Doing verb. Very good. Throw, it is also V1, doing verb. Our team is, from am is is there, being verb. Very good. Have, I don't have enough money. Having is the, have is the having verb. Have, has, had is goes for the having verb. They had and have both are going for the having verb. And last 8 1, take the injured immediately to the hospital. Take is the main verb, V1, and this V1 is going for the which category? Doing verb category. I hope that by both question you understood what is the doing verb. Doing verb means main verbs. Okay, Being verbs means am, is, are, was, were, and the having verbs are have, has, had. This goes for the having verbs. Now the teacher teaches us in the school. Teaches is the main verb, that's why it is going for the doing verb. These are, am, is, are going for the being verb. Now third question, make a list of 5 doing, being or having verbs in each your notebook and use them in the sentences. This is the homework of your notebook. First question you will complete in the textbook. Second question also you will complete in the textbook. Third question you are going to complete in the notebook, because you have to make the sentences by using these examples. You can take your own examples. I have given my examples. You can take your own examples. Okay. Make the 3 columns. Firstly, one is of the doing verb, second is of the being verb, and third is of the having verbs. Then doing verbs example: dance, study, throw, sleep and take. By using these verbs you have to make one sentence. Being verbs am, is, are, were, been. By using this you are going to make sentences. And by using having verbs has, have, had, having, own. Then own, how to use? I own a car means I am a owner of car, that's why I own a car. Like that you can make the sentences. I dance in school. I am a good girl. She has a book. Like that sentences you are going to make by your own in your notebook. Get it, student? Okay. Now next is read the following passage on the story of ice cream and underline the verbs used, then enlist them in the 3 different columns of doing, being and the having verbs. This paragraph you have to read it carefully. After that you are going to make 3 columns of doing verb, being verb and the having verb in the notebook. Third and fourth question both you will do in the notebook. Make the 3 columns and the from passage find out which are the doing verb, find out which are the being verb and find out which are the having verb, and you have to write under that column. We do not know exactly when ice cream was invented or who invented it. Some people think that it was in the China that it was first eaten. King Shang of China had 94 ice men who made ice cream out of the buffalo milk, flour and the camphor. See what they think, what previous people are saying, that ice cream has come for the China and China is banned now. Okay, that means you are not going to eat the chocolate ice cream. No, you can eat but homemade, India made. Okay. It is also said that Alexander the Great too was fond of the ice cream. He enjoyed ice with honey and the nectar. Years ago, the Roman Emperor Nero had sent runners into the mountains for snow. Then they added fruits and juices to the snow. This was an early form of the present day ice cream, like fruit salad and all. Okay. The famous Italian explorer Marco Polo went to China many years ago. People say that he took back ice cream to Italy. Okay, then at least he has the credit of bringing a recipe for some kind of frozen sweet. We also know that people ate water ice in Europe more than 400 years ago. Nowadays, ice cream is eaten the year round all over the world. In India, the Mughals were the first to make a dish like ice cream. They called it kulfi. Yeah, ice cream is nourishing because it is made of milk and the cream. Sugar or honey is used to sweeten it. Some plant products are added to make it smooth and firm. All these things are stirred and blended in a mixing tank. The mixture is then pumped into a pasteurizer where it is heated. Okay, the hot mixture is then whirled around under high pressure. This makes the mixture smooth and creamy. It is then cooled quickly and frozen. Next, flavorings such as fruits, nuts, and chocolates chips are added to it. After this, the ice cream is packed and moved quickly to the hardening room where the temperature is below 0 degree. This freezes it further and gives it the form in which we eat it. And I hope that your mothers has done this practically at home in the summer season and you ate ice cream at your home only. Yeah, this is the history of ice cream which we like to eat most, and you are going to read this passage carefully, and after that from this you have to find out the doing verbs, being verbs and the having verbs, which I have already given to you. Doing verbs I have given, being verbs you are going to find out, having words you are going to find out. Okay, which doing words are there? Total 28 are there. Know, invented, think, eaten, made, said, enjoyed, sent, added, went, say, took, bringing, ate, to make, called, used, to sweeten, stirred, blended, pumped, heated, whirled, makes, cooled, frozen, packed, moved, freezes, gives, eat. Okay. Doing verbs I have given. What you have to find? Being verb and the having verb. Then do you understand the today's work? Write down the definitions in the notebook. After writing the definitions of doing verb, being verb and the having verb, after that definition, question number third and the fourth you are going to complete in the notebook. And of the fourth, you don't write the passage only. Okay, you only write down the answer. This big passage don't write, only write down the answer. Third and the fourth, get it student in homework. And first and second question you are going to complete in the textbook itself. Thank you so much students, and take care.